Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our CCA. So today we are having our cooking without fire competition, and I can see you all have prepared many dishes without using fire, and many creative dishes I can see. So let's begin this competition. We'll taste your food, we'll see the presentation of your food, and accordingly you will get marks and the winners will be decided. So all the best to everyone, and you have to explain your dish, all the ingredients to the judges. So let's begin this wonderful competition today. We'll start with category 2.
Good morning, ma'am. My dish name is cucumber rolls, and the ingredients used for it are sweet potato and paneer and cucumber.
Okay.
Spices used are black pepper and salt. And for the extra crunch, I have used crushed peanuts and flax seeds and sunflower seeds.
Okay. Wow. What a healthy dish you have made.
And I have also got cucumber bites.
Cucumber bites. Okay. So you would like to give us for the tasting? Please give. Very nice because it has got crunch outside because of the cucumber, and inside it's very soft because of the sweet potato, and the flavor of spices is also coming out so well, and I can see flax seeds and white seeds, so it's a healthy option. Good job. Chef.
This is rose coconut laddu. I have pink coconut laddu. I have white coconut laddu and chocolate laddu. And then the ingredients are grinded coconut, some milkmaid, mix it, knead it together, and then we're going to add red food coloring, mix it, make small round circles, and then roll it in dried coconut.
Okay.
Then I have for cucumber chaat, I have taken cucumber, cut it from both sides, and then cut it in half pieces. Took out all the seeds from inside. Then put some kale, onion, carrot, and some pomegranate on top with a touch of coriander. And then I have chocolate bars. Chocolate bars. Now what Diwali is coming, I have made 3 types of sweets. This is chocolate laddu, this is nariyal laddu, and this is kesar laddu. Malai kesar. So the ingredients of chocolate laddu is I put cocoa powder, milk and some and banana with some coconut powder, and make a circle in the chocolate laddu. For this I have used milkmaid and some coconut powder, mixed it. For the malai kesar laddu, I have took 2 bowls. In one bowl I have put some malai, some paneer, and some coconut powder, and some coconut powder. Passion. And if you want to see the cases, you have to cut it from mid.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me one piece?
My name is Nandita. I have made fruit chaat. Try.
Foods are healthy for you. You also have one. Good. Very good. Vidisha, very very good.
Out of puri, some bhel and some pickles, tomato, onion and some chutney.
What ingredients you will use?
I've used bhel, I've used some puri, I've used some peanuts and I've used some tomatoes and onions and some chutney.
Chutney, which chutney you have?
Sweet and tangy.
Only chutney. Okay.
This is
What all vegetables you have?
one is put some onion and some tomato and
What
some
is this?
potato. It is
Kind of namkeen.
no, not like puri.
Tasty. Good, Samara.
May I? From Red House. This is my dish.
Thank you.
Salad.
Nice.
Ma'am, my name is Ramsey. I am from class 10. This is my beer puri. I added some murmura and some onion and some tomatoes. This is my dahi puri. I got some dahi, sweet dahi and some beetroots and some onion and tomatoes. I got it inside it.
You have put beetroot in this also because it's.
When I was making this, I just I'm from class 2. This is fatafat bhel, toast, onion, chili.
Nice. Very nice, Adarsh. Adarsh? Tasty. Coriander.
I'm mainly from class 7 from Nehru House, which is also known as Red House. I have made a sandwich. The name of the sandwich is sandwich mortar, as it is positioned like a mortar.
Okay.
I have tried to use only healthy ingredients. I have also made tea, which I will move on to later. This sandwich is made up of bread, mayonnaise, pizza sauce, cucumber, onions, and tomato. And that is all for the sandwich. And I have also made herbal tea, which is mostly made up of herbs. It has boiled water. The boiled water was used from RO. It was not heated. It has herbs such as black pepper, clove, tulsi, and cinnamon and elaichi.
Okay.
So would you like to?
Yeah, of course. Why not? We'll taste some sandwich first and then we'll have a sip of it.
My name is Divya and I am from class 8 and I am from Gandhi House. Today I have made this raspberry rasmalai. As you can see, this is very raspberry. And I have used bread, milk powder, sugar powder, milk malai, milk and some dry fruits. Ma'am, will you like to have it? I'm from class 8 and I'm from Tagore House. I have made this rasmalai cake and I have used only healthy ingredients like bread and it is made from flour. It's a flour bread. Plus I have used milk and I have added some flavors like cardamom and then milkmaid also, so it can taste a little well like rasmalai also. Ma'am, you can taste it.
Cut. Just small piece. Okay?
Ma'am, I have made Belpuri and I'm from class 7th. My name is Akshara. I'm from Gilroy House. And I have used kurkura, chili, onion, tomato, murmura and black sauce.
माजुनी कहाँ गई?
Margin
Myself, I'm from Gandhi House representing here. I have made cake pops which are made up of smashed cake, vanilla cake, some chocolate syrup
milk maid or condensed milk as pretty. That's it. And yep, lots of love.
Classroom. I'm from Tagore House. My dish is chocolate cake made with bread, chocolate spread, chocolate syrup, and for decoration, jams and wafer. And my second dish is biscuit sandwich made with mashed potato, onion, tomato, and curd. Thank you. My name is Kaylina Reddy from class 5th third house, and this is my chocolatey heart-shaped cake.